Hi everyone, welcome to my video on Python basics. Today, we're diving into the essential building blocks of Python programming, syntax and data types. Get ready to unlock the power of this versatile language. Just like spoken languages have grammar rules, programming languages have syntax guidelines that ensure clear communication with the computer. Let's explore Python's key syntax elements. Indentation. Python relies on indentation to define code blocks, unlike curly braces in some other languages. Indentation is a crucial element of Python's syntax, unlike many other programming languages. It's not just for aesthetics, but plays a vital role in defining the structure and flow of your code. Imagine it as building blocks, where each level of indentation represents a step down into a new layer of logic within your program. For example, imagine you have an if statement. Here, both the print statements inside the if and else blocks are indented to the same level because they belong to the same code block within the if statement. Benefits of proper indentation. Improves code readability. Clear indentation makes your code easier to understand, both for yourself and others. It visually clarifies the structure and flow of your logic. Reduces errors. Consistent indentation helps avoid syntax errors due to misplaced code blocks. Maintains a professional look. Well-indented code reflects professionalism and attention to detail, making it easier to collaborate and share your work. By mastering indentation, you'll be writing cleaner, more readable, and error-free Python code. It's a fundamental skill that will serve you well as you progress in your Python journey. Comments. Comments are like sticky notes you leave within your code for future reference. They don't affect how the code runs. Single-line comments start with a hashtag symbol, and continue to the end of the line. Multi-line comments start with 3 apostrophes, and span multiple lines until another set of 3 apostrophes. Data types. Data types categorize the information we store in variables. Python offers a variety of built-in data types to represent different kinds of data. 1. Numbers. In Python, the number data type is used to represent numerical values. It's further divided into 2 primary subtypes. Integers, whole numbers without decimals. Floating point numbers, numbers with decimals. 2. Strings, sequences of characters enclosed in quotes. 3. Booleans, bool true or false values, representing logical states. For lists, ordered collections of items enclosed in square brackets. Five tuples, similar to lists but immutable, cannot be changed after creation. 6. Dictionaries, unordered collections of key-value pairs enclosed in curly braces. Variable assignment. Variables are like named containers that hold data. You assign values to them using the equal sign. Congratulations, Python learners! You've successfully mastered the fundamentals of Python syntax and data types. You're now equipped with the essential building blocks to start creating your own Python programs. Please like this video if you have enjoyed watching it, and subscribe to my channel to receive instant notification of every new video.